Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got some exciting update about Pixel Fold 2, including its potential release date and display changes. So let's dive into it. Let's talk about when we can expect to see this Pixel Fold 2. Recent leak from a case maker suggests that the release might be sooner than we thought. While it's not confirmed, the appearance of dummy case for the Pixel Fold 2 indicates that things are moving along. While it's not confirmed, could we see as early as May? Now into the display changes. Previous rumor about the Pixel Fold 2 display size were off to the mark. According to the display expert Rose Young, the Pixel Fold 2 will feature an 8.2-inch foldable display. This is quite different from what we are expecting. Get ready for the massive inner display, even larger than some of its competitors. With these display changes, there are some design mysteries. Will the increased display size affect the phone's weight? And could we see the addition of Gorilla Glass armor for extra durability? It's all still up in the air, but one thing for sure, Google is aiming to make one of the thinnest foldable phones on the market, with a rumored thickness of around 10.54 mm when folded. Of course, with larger display comes concern about battery life. Last year, Pixel Fold had mixed result with good battery life on the cover display, but poor performance on the inner display. With the Pixel Fold 2 increased display size, we are hoping to see some improvements in battery life. Google will even include a larger battery this time. Well, there you have it, the latest scoop on the Pixel Fold 2. From potential release date to display changes and design mysteries, there is a lot to look forward to. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech updates. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.